Here we will show you how to use Tasmota Device Groups protocol to control a group of LEDs devices with a single button. The single button will allow you to remotely turn on and off, scroll colors, change temperature and adjust the brightness of your LED strips and bulbs. Of course, our Tasmota Device Groups protocol is compatible with Tasmota, so you can use Tasmota devices for that purpose as well. Tasmota Device Group system can be very useful and responsive, because it works without a server. No home assistant is needed here. Entire communication is done in UDP connectless packet, which are broadcasted on your local network, so only Wi-Fi access is needed. We already have some interesting guides about the protocol on our forum, along with some Tasmota and OpenBeken pairing tutorials. Please consider reading them as well. Links are in the video description. For the sake of this example, we will use one BK7231T switch and two bulbs, one using BK7231N and other using BL602. Let's start with configuring the wall switch. Open the Configure module page. For wall switch, you want to change the relay role to always high, so the relay is always closed. Of course, do it only if this relay controls the power of your bulbs. This is because in this case we don't want relay to turn off bulbs. The state of the bulbs will be controlled by the Wi-Fi and not by physical detaching the power. Furthermore, the LED role is not needed, so it can be turned off. Then the button role should be changed to button smart LED, so the button has all special events like click, double click, hold and triple click, already handled in a way that they can give you full control over your LED lighting. Remember to save the pin's settings. Then, still on the wall switch, go to flags and enable flag 4, which is Force Show RGB CW controller. This will make LED controls available on the main page. Now it's time to set up the Tasmota Device Groups protocol for the wall switch. Remember, this protocol is compatible with Tasmota devices, but in OpenBeken you can set up it without console commands, so it's very easy. Enter the group name and then, for the wall switch, tick all send options. Wall switch doesn't need to receive data from bulbs, so don't tick receive boxes. Remember to save your setting with a submit button. OK, the wall switch is now ready. You can see that the driver is running here on the main page. In general, it's a good practice to reboot the device after making configuration changes, but it most likely is not needed here. Now let's configure bulbs. OpenBeken runs on many platforms, so let's start with Sonoff BL602 bulb. All you need to do there is to go to Tasmota Device Group settings, enter the correct group name, which you have chosen earlier for the wall switch, and enable all receive options. That's all, just save and bulb is ready. You can now see that Device Groups driver is running. Check it here on the main page. Now you can repeat the same process for any other bulbs that you want to control with that switch. Of course, for Tasmota devices, you need to do that in console with Tasmota commands, but apart from that, everything is the same. Please read our Tasmota Devices Group topic on our forum if you want to know the exact commands for the configuration. OK, it's time for the final test. Clicking the button turns the bulb on and off. Of course, you can also control them by OpenBeken web panel and from Home Assistant. Double-click scrolls the colors from the predefined list, which is the same as in Tasmota. Triple-click enters the temperature mode with 3 possible temperature options: cool white, warm white, and medium settings. And finally, holding the button allows you to control the brightness. That's all for now. As you can see, now you can control multiple LEDs with just a single button. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please visit our forum. Remember that you can also submit a device teardown and template to our forum and get a free gift. See details in the video description. See you on Elektroda!